How to change Pinterest profile picture. To get started, go ahead and open up the Pinterest application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Pinterest homepage. Here, you can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Over here, you can view all your saved pins and the boards they are saved to. Go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Then, select View Profile at the top. Here, you can view your profile picture, username, followers, and following list. You can also view your pins below. Now, tap on Edit Profile. Here, tap on Edit below your profile picture. Tap on Pick from Camera Roll. You can now choose photos from your camera roll to set it as your profile picture. Select any photo from here. And then, tap on Choose below. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. You have now successfully changed your profile picture. Following these steps, you can easily change Pinterest profile picture.